Accessing your Wells Fargo mortgage account online. Let's get started. Open your preferred browser. In the search box, type in Wells Fargo mortgage login and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Navigate to this one website option, wellsfargo.com. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're in this page, at the top right, you're gonna find three bars. You have to go ahead and click on that. Then different options will appear. Navigate to the option of Sign On. With that, you'll be directed to the login page. Enter your username and the password to log in. If you want to save your login info, check in for the option of Save Username. In the case you have forgotten the password, you can click on the option of Forgot Username or the password and go through the process to recover it. After you provide all the details, click on Sign On and just for that, you'll be logged into your account. Once logged in, go to your account section and from there find the mortgage tab. Here you will be able to view all the details related to your mortgage, including your balance, payment history, and due dates. You can easily make mortgage payments through the Wells Fargo online portal by navigating to the payment section. Choose to set up one-time or recurring payments from your linked bank account. Well, this is how you can easily get access to your Wells Fargo mortgage account. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.